If you know anything about dinosaurs, you know they're extinct. That means they all died out. Well, except for birds, which are technically dinosaurs, but that's another story. Extinction is when an animal or plant species dies out for one reason or another. It's a natural part of our planet's history. But sometimes animals go extinct not from natural causes, but because of humans. And that's something we need to pay attention to because extinction is forever. Some of the most famous extinctions are from animals that are even hard to imagine today. The dodo, for example, was a real bird that lived on the island of Mauritius off the coast of Africa. When European sailors first discovered the island in the 1600s, they were shocked to find a large, flightless pigeon that had no fear of people. That's why they called it a dodo. Within a few years, they were gone. Other animals have gone the way of the dodo. The passenger pigeon was once the most common bird in the world. It darkened the skies of America in colonial times, but hunters drove them to extinction until only one remained, a bird named Martha, who died at the Cincinnati Zoo in 1914. Have you ever heard of the great auk? It was known as the penguin of the north, but the last one of these large flightless birds was killed by hunters in 1844. Another strange beast was the Steller sea cow, a huge walrus-like animal that lived in Alaska before sailors killed them off in the 1800s. They were similar to a manatee, but they grew to 30 feet long and lived alongside native people for thousands of years until European hunters arrived. Many animals today are close to extinction. Rare and endangered species like rhinos, blue whales, pandas, and others are the result of millions of years of evolution. They're often key members of natural communities. They're beautiful, important, and rare. And that's why we need the Endangered Species Act and other protections to help save them. Because remember, extinction is forever.